Hello, back with another cruise ship. We are back on board a cruise line that I didn't think I'd be on board again anytime soon. But today is the launch of Virgin Voyages' new ship, Valiant Lady, and so they've invited us on to go and explore. And you probably can't hear me, but this is why. Everyone else is here. If you saw my review last time on my blog, you'll know that I didn't have the best experience, but apparently they've listened to all of the feedback and done really, really well. So yeah, I'm quite excited to go and have a look. Like, they completely redid the cabins while the cruise industry was shut down, so they're clearly listening. So yeah, excited to see. But right now it's cold and windy and loud, so I will see you in a minute when we're on board that boat to take us to Valiant Lady. Well, this is creepy. The hair is too, to be honest. I wanted to show you the ship, but tried to take some photos. They gave us an umbrella when we got off the ship and I broke it within 2 seconds because the wind was so bad.
2 hours later.
You may be wondering why it's dark. It's because we're late. It's taken us 2.5 hours to check in. We didn't have a cabin, we weren't on the system. Oh my god, we're literally the last person. There's nobody here. Literally, it's just us. Everyone else has like been to the events, had dinner, and we are still only just checked in. We finally made it. We left home at 8 AM. We left London at 3 PM. It is now 7 o'clock. We just got into the cabin. Took nearly 3 hours to check in the end, so yeah. I'm tired, I really want a nap, I really want a shower, and we don't have time because we have to go, we don't have to go, the option is there to go, do you remember what the thing was at 7 o'clock? Like a welcome thing, I think? So we need to run off to that, so I've just come up here to kind of dump my stuff in the cabin and have a quick look around. Got my purse. I'm going to quickly show you around the room. It is different from Scarlet Lady, which is really good. It feels like a lot lighter, a lot brighter, and a lot kind of more welcoming. The TV said hello. So they still have the red and blue theme, but it's kind of a lot more pared back. Like, it was a lot of red and blue in the Scarlet Lady cabins. And also it just feels like bigger. I don't know why, but I felt like the Scarlet Lady cabins felt kind of claustrophobic, the wrong word, but you know when it just feels small. This just, I don't think it's any bigger, it's just the design's really nice. So yeah, very happy. Would very much like to lie down on that, but we don't have time. So coming in from the front door, you've got this cupboard again. There's more storage this time. You've got this storage cubby here. This was the same as Scarlet Lady, but now they've given you drawers in here, which is brilliant because there was just not a lot of storage on Scarlet Lady, and they've clearly listened. So I'll go in here first. Turning around, I haven't even looked in here yet. Literally, we walked in 2 seconds ago. So here is the bathroom. It's the same as last time. I do find their bathrooms, hang on, I'm on a wide angle lens so it looks bigger, but I do find their bathrooms quite small. Like, you can kind of, you know, go to the loo, clean your teeth and shower at the same time, but like, the bathrooms are fine. They're very nice, they're very modern. It just weirds me out how small they are because it feels quite claustrophobic to me. The one thing to mention is the showers on Virgin Voyages are amazing. So there you go, there's a bathroom, and then we come around here to the main cabin. This is different on Valiant compared to Scarlet as well, because they had a fridge on Scarlet Lady, but there was no door, and a lot of people complained about that, so they've added a door. There's, I think this was here on Scarlet Lady, I don't remember. Same desk, but again, it feels like a lot brighter. Same mirror. I love this mirror. I want that in our house. And then they've added wood paneling here and kind of more wood accents around the room just to make it feel a bit warmer. This was white on Scarlet Lady. They've now changed it so your bed is made up as a bed unless you tell them that you want it as a sofa during the day, which personally that suits me. I'd rather just sit on a bed, and I tend to put my suitcase on there if I'm honest. There's this table which was on Scarlet Lady, but then there's a kind of sofa armchair tray. Yeah, an arm tray there, just so you've got somewhere to put your drinks on that side as well, which is a thing that a lot of people complained about. Coming around here, you've got the same chair as on Scarlet Lady. You've got your full-length mirror here, and then walk around here past the very welcoming TV, and you come onto the balcony. They had the hammocks on Scarlet Lady, and that was one of my complaints because they were very high up and it didn't feel very safe. Pleased to report they are much lower this time. So yeah, here you go. That is cabin tour. I think our cabin number is 10286. I'm gonna go and get ready for our evening. We had a bit of dinner drama, so obviously I'm allergic to everything, which is a bit of a struggle. So we went to the Mexican, but it was closed for a private event. So we were going to go to Test Kitchen. Sunday I couldn't go because basically they have like a big grill that they cook everyone's food on, which my allergy to squid is like so bad that that's a no-go for me. So we went into Pink Agave, which is the Mexican place, to book it, and they just kind of said like, yeah, sorry, it's closed. But then she went through, I told her my allergies, she went through each restaurant. So basically our choices ended up being the Wake or Extra Virgin. The Wake is kind of like a steak place, but that was where I didn't have the best experience at breakfast on Scarlet. And to be honest, it's quite hot on board, I think, because everyone's kind of milling around. So I didn't really fancy anything heavy like a steak. So we're an Extra Virgin. I feel bad because Jack was kind of fancying a steak, I think. He was coming in to look at the menu, and then we kind of got roped into sitting down. So I'm happy. Are you happy? He nodded, so that's okay. But yeah, so we're an Extra Virgin. Hopefully I'm all good. Cheers! Nothing like hugely took our fancy at Extra Virgin for dessert, so I really wanted to come here on Scarlet and never got a chance. I have brown butter American chip pecan ice cream and vanilla. They were just the two gluten-free options, but they're really good. And then Jack has orange ricotta and pecan. How do Americans say it?
Pecan.
We went and had an amazing, like honestly, amazing dinner at Extra Virgin. We weren't really sure what to expect, especially with me with all my allergies, but oh my god, this starter I had was a Wagyu beef truffle carpaccio. Top 3 things I've ever eaten on a cruise ship. We randomly bumped into someone who gave us the number of someone in the press team, and bless them, they came over, they were like, don't worry about it, we'll sort it. So yeah, I do just want to say, like, obviously it had been kind of crappy up until dinner, but fair play to them, they are like going out of their way to sort it, so yes. It's at this point in the evening that we realised we'd managed to hit up most of the bars on board Valiant Lady, so we decided it was time to tick them all off. We did. And all the signature cocktails. I want to get your reaction.
Bloody hell.
It gets even better when you get in there. Go for it. Look at it. I can't hide your face in here because you are in all of the mirrors. Everywhere! The Manor is a really unique event space and nightclub, kind of like the music room on Royal Caribbean's Quantum class ships, or the Limelight Club on board P&O's Iona. During normal service, they have circus acts, bands and club nights in here, but tonight we had a special guest.
Hi, good evening and welcome to Virgin Voyages brand new ship,
Valiant Lady, everyone, it's great nice and far. We're not done yet at all.
I'm never again than you said in love.
So you know what? Having a really good time actually, and going into this I've been saying to Jack for 2 days how nervous I was, because I never want to not enjoy a cruise ship obviously, like who wants to not enjoy a cruise ship? That's insane. But particularly there were like, you know, there was extra pressure on Valiant Lady after the experience of Scarlet Lady, and I've spoken to a lot of people today who've not just gone to the event but cruised on Scarlet as well, and they've all said that like parts of it seemed a bit of a letdown. So Valiant, I'm impressed. Oh, this is the place. It's like an outside bar. There are some lounges, and this is just, I don't know if you can see because it's quite dark, but one giant corner sofa. So, fun fact for you that I learned on the internet, they turn all of the balconies red for Scarlet Night, so there you go. You've learned something new today. I really wanted to show Jack this place because there's loads of like different games. It's really cool. I have no idea what this game is, but we just had a lot of fun playing it. And then over here they have air hockey and foosball, and then they've got an actual arcade in there. Yes!
You're on 2.
That's 3.
Bro.
We just got told that the arcade is totally free and it's full of cringy 80s music. I love it. So it is 1 o'clock in the morning. We need to be up at 6:30 to take photos in the daylight outside. Yeah, so we are just walking back to our cabin. Thank you. We went out on a walk just on the top deck for a bit before we came back. I'm gonna take my makeup off, go to bed, and I will see you in 5 hours. It's been fun though. One thing I haven't showed you that Jack was playing with earlier is this control panel. You can do the lights. You can turn all of the lights off. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to turn off entirely. You can obviously turn the TV on, and then you can, hang on. There you go, and the balcony is red because it is Scarlet Night. Good morning. It's quite bright. We didn't sleep much, to be honest. There's just so many photos we need to take. So it's 8 AM right now. I've done all my makeup apart from my lipstick. We have 40 minutes until breakfast to go and get all the photos up top. And then we might have to be off by 9:30, we might have to be off by 10:30, we're not sure. There was a bit of an issue with our booking and everything. So yeah, we need to get our ass in gear, but I don't want to leave the hammock. One of my complaints last time was that the hammock was really, really high. So not only was it hard to get into, but it felt kind of dangerous because it was like almost higher than the railing. So they've lowered it, and so now it's just really comfy. Should go and take my last photos though. took Jack to the adult playground. There's a seesaw over there. He walked past that, but the swings, he's loving life. Me, I'm just really tired because we didn't get enough sleep, so I'm just chilling. Going to Razzle Dazzle for brunch this morning. This might be the most extra breakfast I've ever had. I mean, Jack's is even better because he's just skipped straight to lunch. This is not breakfast. How is that breakfast? Enjoy. So, we're back from breakfast. We've just come to get the rest of our things. We don't have to be off the ship till 11, but we're going to get off a bit earlier because the last boat back is 10:30, and I really want to try and get on the boat because it is bright sunshine today, and we went under Tower Bridge yesterday and it was raining really badly, so I didn't get any photos, and so I desperately want to go do that. I thought I would finish off the Virgin Voyages vlog from the comfort of my hammock, of course. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very, very pleasantly surprised. I didn't know what to expect. Obviously, after the experience that I had on Scarlet Lady, I was a little bit concerned. But Valiant Lady has managed to entirely change my mind. We've had a great time. All of the crew have been absolutely lovely. The food has been great. Like last time I literally ate 5 prawns for breakfast, and today we've had breakfast and I literally feel sick afterwards. Jack had rainbow churros with, can't remember what the ice cream flavour was, but it was really nice, but I'm just not somebody who can eat sugar at breakfast, so that wasn't for me. But yeah, we've honestly had an absolutely amazing time. I was hoping, but I wasn't expecting it, and I'm really, really pleased. We're gonna go and pack our bags, say goodbye to this beautiful ship and the wonderful view. We can see the original cruise terminal up down there, which is beautiful. I haven't seen that since 2019 on Columbus, so it makes me extra happy. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I very much enjoyed making it. Very much a flying visit, but I hope to be back. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If it's been helpful, then consider subscribing. I do lots of different cruise ship vlogs. I have Princess coming up, Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, MSC, like there's loads of cruise ship vlogs coming up, so something for everyone, and I will talk to you later.